Hi everyone, a bit of a classic Casio watch again. I'm a bit of a sucker for them. I've been looking for one of these for a while, and I set a search up on eBay. One popped up last week, so I was well pleased. It was a really good price. I made an offer anyway, and the seller accepted. So when I got it, the battery was a bit drained, or was flat. When you press the illumination button, it stopped ticking. So took it apart, cleaned the contacts, popped a new battery in, quality one, and it's all good. So the seller did say it was in excellent condition, and he wasn't wrong. It's an MDV102. So there is another model that looks really similar to it, or it's exactly the same, apart from it's got no marlin on the dial. So, but I specifically wanted the marlin one. It's water resistance of 200 meters, 42.57 millimeters in diameter, 13.89 millimeters thick. But a lot of that is because it's domed. I'll show you that in a moment. It's obviously quartz. This has got a screw down crown. It's got brushed finish on the top with a polished sides. The rubber strap is integrated. That's another thing I wanted. I wanted the original strap. You can't seem to get them anymore because it does integrate with the case. So the loom is nothing to write home about, but being an illuminator watch, you don't really need it. It's lug to lug of 48 millimeters, sword hands. Red tip on the second hand, a date of 4 o'clock. The illumination, there's LEDs at the 12 and the 6, and it just, you've got absolutely no problem reading this in the dark at all. It's I think it's a 22mm strap. I'm sure I measured that, but alright, here we go. If I pop that onto there, I don't know if you can see that, the crystal is kind of really domed on there, and also the case itself and the bezel, there's a big incline on there. Yeah, really nice, really good condition. So I was really lucky to pick this up for what I did. There's actually one on eBay at the moment which is going for over $400. Yeah, I don't think it's seen much use at all, to be perfectly honest. So I would have like to have had a brand new strap, but I just can't find one there. So gonna have to be careful I don't destroy this. Polished case back, screw down. Yeah, what a great looking watch, and a great size as well. Obviously the thickness of the bezel, the thickness, it does mean that the watch face is smaller than it would normally be, if that makes sense. It does wear smaller, so I'm really pleased with this. So it's gonna, my only criticism is obviously because you've got the integrated strap there, you can't grip in this section here. So, but there is the actual bezel action it's okay. I've had far worse watches that cost a lot more money. So the lume pip at 12. I'm going to knock the lights off so we can see the illumination on there. Give me a second. One more. I think I'm in shot. There you go. And that will stay on for as long as you hold the button down. So that's fantastic. Yeah, so really pleased with that pickup. I've actually picked up another 2 watches with the 3A8 module in it, which I'll do a video on those. I've got really nothing to do on those because I picked them up and I got them overseas, and they were in really excellent condition. So yeah, really pleased. So I prefer I have got one of the MDV106, I've got big wrists anyway, but the MDV106 is a big watch. I think this one is just better, to be honest. So I'm just going to have to be careful that I don't ruin the strap or scratch that crystal, because I don't think it's going to be easy to replace if ever I have to, because it has got a real heavy dome on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you like it, and I'll see you again.